Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best detailing clay is probably one of the most overlooked tools in a car enthusiast's arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of detailing clay, exploring its incredible ability to lift away embedded contaminants, leaving your car's paint feeling smoother than a baby's bottom. Get ready to discover how this simple product can make a massive difference in your car detailing routine and prepare your car for waxing or polishing. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Clay Bar and Luber Kit. This kit includes a light medium-duty clay bar and synthetic lubricant. It's designed to remove embedded dirt from paint, glass, and metal. This restores a smooth surface for enhanced shine and protection. Safely eliminate overspray, brake dust, and road grime. Using this detailing clay bar will restore slickness and prepare surfaces for wax or sealant. It's an easy way to get a perfect finish. This Chemical Guy's kit is safe for clear coat, glass, and polished metals. It's gentle enough for all vehicle colors and finishes. You can achieve professional level results with this product. Simply spray the lubricant on the surface, then glide the clay bar gently. It lifts away embedded dirt, and you can wipe clean for a flawless finish. It only takes a few minutes. This automotive clay bar kit is essential for car lovers and professional detailers. It helps achieve a flawless base before polishing or waxing. It's a must-have for any detailing project. Ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. It's safe for painted, coated, or wrapped surfaces. This makes it a versatile choice for all types of detailing projects. What we like. This kit is perfect for detailing enthusiasts who want a comprehensive solution. It effectively removes contaminants from various surfaces, ensuring a smooth finish. If you're looking to achieve a flawless base before waxing or applying a ceramic coating, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The paint became slick and smooth to the touch, the kind of finish that makes water bead effortlessly once waxed. The clay bar itself has the perfect balance, soft and pliable, yet dense enough to pull contaminants like tree sap, tar, and brake dust without falling apart or sticking. The included clay luber works very well. It provides enough glide that the bar never drags or mars the surface. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Clay Block V2. Introducing the Chemical Guy's Clay Block V2, the next generation of clay bars. This innovative tool is designed to make your vehicle feel incredibly smooth, removing contaminants quickly and safely. The clay block is designed with a comfortable cushion grip. This allows for even pressure distribution, ensuring the best results and making it easy for anyone to use. Unlike traditional clay bars, this one is reusable. You can rinse it with warm water, and it's still good to go, even if dropped. This makes it a cost-effective and durable choice. By removing embedded contaminants, it helps waxes and sealants bond directly to your paint. This extends the life of your wax coat, providing longer-lasting protection. Car enthusiasts choose Chemical Guys for top-quality products and world-class customer support. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle with a global community. What we like. The clay block's unique design makes it incredibly easy to use, providing even pressure for the best results. Plus, it's reusable and durable, saving you money in the long run. If you are looking for a cost-effective and user-friendly clay bar that enhances the longevity of your wax, this is the one. What people say. The best thing about it is that it can be rinsed and wiped clean as often as you'd like, giving you a fresh surface. I thought it was very easy to use, rinseable, and it allowed me to get a fantastic finish on a white 2012 Rogue, which was a filthy mess. The guy used a very light touch, didn't bear down at all. Like 3 fingers pressure. Use lots of lube, quick detailer spray. I used griots and it was great. Use a light touch, letting the bar do the work, rinse and wipe it clean with a microfiber towel, and enjoy the magic. Number 3. Polymer Clay 50 Colors DIY Starter Kits. This polymer clay kit is perfect for kids and artists alike. It's easy to shape and comes in a wide array of vibrant colors, making it ideal for all sorts of artistic creations. The clay is non-sticky and doesn't fade, ensuring your creations stay beautiful. It's designed for easy modeling, allowing you to bring any idea to life. The kit includes 50 pieces of polymer clay, creative modeling tools, accessories, and a user manual. Everything you need is right here to get started. Made from soft polymer clay, this product is free of wheat, nuts, and peanuts. It adheres to strict safety standards, so you can let your children play with confidence. You can bake it in the oven, recommended, use a hairdryer for smaller pieces, or follow the instructions provided. Please note that boiling is not an effective method. Our customer service team is ready to help with any questions. We're here to assist you throughout your purchase and usage of the product. Kind tips, small parts, not for children under 3 years. What we like. This polymer clay kit is perfect for unleashing creativity. With 50 vibrant colors and easy modeling, it's ideal for artists and children alike. If you like to create art projects or need a fun activity for kids, this clay kit will be a great choice. What people say. The clay works well and is sufficiently moist. It is hard when first working with it, but it softens out the more you work it. Comes with a cute instruction book with ideas. Everything you need to start having fun and getting creative is in this nice and tidy box that stores away easily. Number 2. Chemical Guys CLY_402 Medium Duty Clay Bar. This medium duty clay bar is designed to handle tough pollutants that lighter clay bars can't. It's perfect for removing stubborn contaminants and preparing your car's surface. Using this clay bar enhances the lifespan of your sealants, waxes, and paint. It creates a clean base for these products to bond with, providing lasting protection. If your vehicle has been neglected for years, this clay bar can revive the paint to a silky finish. It removes embedded contaminants, leaving the surface incredibly smooth. This clay bar is ideal for cars exposed to harsh elements. It effectively removes tree sap, rail dust, and other environmental contaminants that damage your car's paint. The clay bar is designed to be gentle on your paint while efficiently removing contaminants. It ensures no damage to your vehicle's finish, providing a safe and effective cleaning solution. What we like. This medium-duty clay bar is designed for vehicles exposed to harsh elements. It effectively removes tough pollutants, restoring a silky finish. If you have a car that has been neglected for years and needs a deep clean, this is the perfect solution. What people say. These clay bars worked great. Now my paint is smooth again. Fantastic, works as promised. It stripped out all of the rough contaminants, wax, oxidation from the finish. Number 1. MEGUIAR'S C2000 Car Clay Bar. This clay bar quickly and easily removes stubborn contaminants. It tackles things like overspray, bug debris, and road tar. The result is a clean surface. After using this product, your car will have a smooth, glass-like finish. It restores the paint to its original luster. You'll be amazed at the difference. This clay bar is completely non-abrasive and safe for all clear coat and single-stage paints. You can use it with confidence knowing it won't damage your car's finish. It is a versatile product. The clay bar is safe and effective on many surfaces. You can use it on paint, glass, metal, and plastic. It's a great all-around detailing tool. For best results, lubricate the surface first. Use M34 Mirror Glaze Final Inspection or D155 Last Touch Spray Detailer. Then, gently rub it until the surface is smooth. The clay bar comes in a reusable container to keep it fresh. It also includes 200 grams of clay. It's designed for easy storage and repeated use. MEGUIAR'S celebrate 125 years of industry leadership. The brand has been providing professional-grade solutions since 1901. It is a trusted name in car care. What we like. This clay bar quickly and easily removes stubborn contaminants, leaving a mirror-like finish. It's safe on various surfaces, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a quick and effective way to restore your car's shine, you should consider this. What people say. This makes the job faster as I now make less passes in order to get a smooth surface. I also like how it stays consistent and pliable, unlike the mothers where it would noticeably get softer and tackier as you kept molding it. The results are spectacular. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.